Have you ever wondered how YouTube channels upload content consistently? How do they manage to churn out high-quality videos week after week without fail? The secret behind this consistent performance is a potent mix of passion, hard work, and a little bit of magic called YouTube automation. Now, what's YouTube automation, you may ask? It's a process where certain tasks related to content creation and channel management are automated. This means that instead of manually carrying out each task, creators use tools and software to automatically perform them. It's like having a digital assistant working around the clock, helping you manage your channel efficiently. From scheduling uploads to managing comments, from optimizing SEO to analyzing performance data, YouTube automation covers a wide range of tasks. It's a boon for content creators, especially those managing multiple channels or those juggling content creation with other commitments. So how does YouTube automation work? It begins with identifying tasks that are repetitive and time-consuming. Once these tasks are identified, creators use various automation tools to streamline these activities. For instance, a creator might use an automation tool to schedule video uploads for a specific time, thus ensuring consistency. Or they could use a tool to automatically respond to comments, ensuring their audience feels heard and engaged. But YouTube automation isn't just about automating tasks, it's also about leveraging the power of data. Automation tools can provide valuable insights into channel performance, audience behavior, and more. This information can then be used to make informed decisions about content strategy, marketing, and more. Let's summarize the key points about YouTube automation. Firstly, YouTube automation is about automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks related to content creation and channel management. This allows creators to focus on what they do best, creating engaging content. Secondly, YouTube automation is about leveraging data. With automation tools, creators can gain valuable insights into their channel's performance, helping them make informed decisions. And finally, YouTube automation is about consistency. With the ability to schedule uploads and manage tasks efficiently, creators can ensure a consistent output, which is key to building and maintaining an audience on YouTube. In conclusion, YouTube automation is a powerful tool in the hands of content creators. It's like a digital assistant that never sleeps, helping you manage your channel efficiently while providing valuable insights to help you grow. It's the secret behind the consistent performance of many successful YouTube channels. So, if you're a content creator looking to level up your game, it might be worth exploring the world of YouTube automation.